Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to create a crew logo in Blox Fruits. So first, click on this create button here at the top. Now here on creator, all you need to do is click on this dashboard right here at the top left. Then once you click this one, you'll find this page here, as you can see. And next is click on this development items right here at the right side of your screen. And after this one, you will need to click on the decals right here. And then here, as you can see, you can actually upload an asset or logo if you want. But currently, I have a logo right here. So you just need to upload your own logo. Now, if you can't download a logo, you can go here on Marketplace. And from here, you can search a logo that you want to add to your Blox Fruits. So for example, this logo here, and you just have to click on Get Model. Now, once you've done uploading a logo, you just need to go back to the Roblox homepage. Then here, click on the three lines at the top left corner, and then find the inventory. Once you click on inventory, just need to find the decals here. And once you find the decals, as you can see, just click this option here, and then just have to click on the logo. And then here, all you need to do is just copy the URL link at the top. So right click, then click on copy. Now let's get to the Blox Fruits. Now all you need to do right here, you just need to click on this logo right here at the left side of your screen. And then an option shows up here. As you can see, you can enter your name here. And you just have to paste the link right here on logo link. So to do that, you can actually tap on the Control plus V on your keyboard. So as you can see, finally, you have created a crew logo in Blox Fruits. So yeah, that's how you basically create a crew logo in Blox Fruits. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.